okokuqala isenza sibe buhlungu ethi as a family if ukuthiwa i-case zange ihambe kakuhle like kwa last year because Tina should have went like for a private route, you understand, but ngoxa sijonge isikhathi esingaka because ngesikude thina phi why sasingazange sitshelwe ke ukuthi hayi ibekele lapha ecaleni because akubukho ubufakazi. And also odokotela mina ngiyazi mina knowledge yami ndiyazi ke mhlambe noba enough na ubana udokotela if ebesayibhalile besuppose bawuzise report and yandibhida now xa izovela ngolhloko because 2 ministers ezime phakathi phambi kwabantu zatsho it has been confirmed medical into bana lento eyenzekile. So ke ngoku sithini sisayiphi komkhulu uphiwe sithini? That is why I tell people guys mna thina asazinto thina asazikwanto akhonto esifonywe ngayo thina sisalindile qha kuphela.
Ngicela ukubuza mama Quthu ku ngama question ayithu uprincipal or wonke umuntu bamtestile for iDNA ugcina ithatha itest?
Hayi xa ndibuza investigating officer mina yathi ayakathathwanga.
Okay. So icase njengoba bayidropa manje bathi abatholi evidence yokuthi umntana udlwenguliwe or abatholi evidence yokuthi ubani odlwengule umntana?
Ndizukwazi umzali ukuyiphendula leyo because kuthi ayikafiki as bangishilo nakwena ukuthi thina sikayitholi leyo nto leyo as the family.
Okay. Mr. Dube.
Yes. Just one question, if I'm sure, all right, if she's saying, you know, it hasn't come back from that side, it's understandable. From the statement that I read, and I don't know if I'm correct, because I made a video about it, Umtana said she was called by someone to go and clean the classroom. And when she got there, she was alone and then she fell asleep. And then she was woken up by that same person to say, your transport is here. So I'm not a police officer, I'm not, but just from that piece alone, right? If this is the person that secluded the child, and then was the last person that the child saw before she passed out, and was the first person that the child saw when she woke up, isn't that the person that should be telling us what happened in that period if we believe that that's when it happened?
Okay. Ndizozama indlela ukuyibeka ne so that ingazosounda rude. Ndiyakuva babuDube nathi lento bekade siyibuza ilento bekade siyifuna. I think ndikuphendulile. Ilanto sasisho thina sithi impendulo zilele khona lapha if ingathiwa into iphaya because kaloku if inganithi ngahamba ngayoshanyala bese ngakhathala kwanukitha elishisiweyo bese ngakhathala then afterwards now akazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni between ukukhathala kwakhe and also ukubizwa kwakhe ukuthi i-transport ifikile. Nami ndiyafana nawe babuDube. That is why nathi sasisho even on the meeting yange second buza ukuthi ka December ukuthi kanti kuphi lo muntu owathuma ingane because ufuna umuntu owathuma ingane thina. Sifuna umuntu owathuma ingane azo explain kuthina as the parents but izange wakhona kwi meetings ebesizihlala but nathi sena loyo question and sifuna ukucaciselwa sihlaliswe phansi sizwe ukuthi kwenzakalani why ingane yakhathala because I went as far as to say the day sine meeting ngithi mina uyazini if nje lo muntu ebekhona nje azoziphendulela akho umuntu ona spokesperson la makazoziphendulela yena ukuthi wayithuma ingane why and ngifuna i-contract mina esho ukuthi ingane yami kumele ishanyelwe. That's all.
Lo muntu oye wathuma ingane iDNA baye bayithatha kuyena
ithathile ulo ebefonela uIO non stop ebuza ukuthi zibuya zithene results.
Hey do
I swear to God asiyazi neyokuba because isi statement yabana lesi statement lapha ku-NPA esisho ukuthi i evidence lokuthi nokudlwengulwa nokuba ikhuluma ingane nani asinankinga ngendlela abayibeke ngayo mzala. Mina I will make you an example wena mzala ne. If you come to me ungitshela ukuthi mzala nginekhanda ne ingathi ayizokwenza sense le example yami. iNPA ireceiveile masivele sisho kanjalo ireceive into eyinikiwe mzala. Ithi bingafika ithi mhlambe ithi akho kwanto endinikiwe bese ikholelwa vele because iya receive mzala. You understand? Asithi kutheni mzala but thina as the family thina sisa receive a text mzala esilindele lapho kuba once ithatha decision sizawutshelwa as ifamily.
Asikisi mzala before udlula mhlambe uDube ufuna ukubuza iquestion esase lapho before yaphambili. Dube.
Yes. Linjani ma?
Right at njani?
Ngiyaphila. Are you working with a lawyer?
Yeah.
You are. So ma ngoba this thing I think it's not only I think to make it seem like it was just social media would be misleading. It was in the news. Ukuba the NPA has decided to drop the thing.
Okay.
Did you contact your lawyer since you are saying you didn't know about it and you were not informed?
I did.
To say to your lawyers, this is what is in the news. Kwenzakalani, how do we get clarity on this?
I did that. Sisazama ukuthi get into that. Siphez kwayo mhlekazi. Siphez kwayo. But I'm not saying imedia iyaxoka ne anifuna ukuba kusasa bathi abantu ndiphikisa izinto ezithethwa ngabo. I'm not saying imedia iyaxoka, I'm not saying social media iyaxoka, but thina asiyazi mntase. Like asiyazi. I don't want to lie, asiyazi. And Tina, as basihleli, because people have been texting me, uzizwa njani, right? I'm like, guys, mna nje right, because I'm at a stage whereby ndithi, nkosi yami, iNPA, I want izophuma neziphumo ezithini. Because lento bekudala siyifuna mzala, if uyakhumbula sixoxa ngithi zange wenze uABC and D. Remember xa ndicacisa la mzala ngitshela ukuthi idocket last year yahamba neinformation engaka, and mabesithetha idocket bise inikeza almost the 5th investigating officer ubuyakhumbula sixoxe ukuthi okay kuya investigate still bayaqhubeka with the investigation ofishe lento besiyifuna mzala ukuthi abantu babenga interviewanga into mazenzeke zezinto ezenzekile. That is why idocket ihambe yaya ku senior prosecutor, and that's now why it becomes an issue now ukuthi ayidroshu. Thina guys as a family thina sihlele sisithi silindile imiphumela ngaphuma nakusasa. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, because thina sange inform you for
ngicela ukubuza mzala. Iloya yakho mombonisa lento bayipostile utheni kuwe?
Siphez kwayo mzala mandivele ndinga
ongangeni TV ne?
Yes, isaphethe. Manje ngangeni iphupho mzala siphez kwayo mzala wami. Ndiqedile lapho siphez kwayo mntasi.
Do you have, before I move on, do you have anything?
I know if she's saying uloya usesephez kwayo, then maybe she can move on. My question was, I don't know if she will be at liberty to answer ukuba who would the prosecution be prosecuting? Because kumele kunenywe, someone has to be named as the person who did this thing. So who is it that is going to be named ukuba you did this to the child, thus you have to answer for this? So who would they be prosecuting?
So i-question yakho ukuthi at this moment ubani isandla esikhomba kuyo ukuthi nangu umuntu ongathi wenze lento?
Yes, who they would have to be prosecuting. Ngoba bona mabeti we are dropping it. They are maybe not seeing someone that they should be pointing to. So if they are to carry on, who would they be pointing to? Would all right as the sikhomba wena piwe woza ulecala la. I don't know if that makes sense.
No, njakuva babudubene ngakuzwa, but cela ungayiphenduli mntasi, because leyo it lies with investigating office ukuthi yona ithe mayiphanda yabona ukuthi ikhomba kubani.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah.
But there is someone la ekhomba khona.
Because zange ngake ngatshelwa amapolisa ukuthi hayi sibisazi lona, andizokwazi izinto ezethu ukuziphendula lapho kudubo ulifaka phansi kwebhasi futhi.
Okay.
That is why ngimlandile lo bhuti uza nayo kahle bengise live yakhe ekseni yabona, so abantu bebana ama views a different Mzala kwenzakalani kahle kahle kule case?
Ngoma yathi kwenzakala angazi. Emzala
You know,
uyishiwe
yeah.
angazi like andazi mntase like thina sikhona thina sifuna impendulo ukuba kwenzakaleni jonga mzala ne even if bangathi bona xa bebefumana mhlambe idocket ne bathi ibingekho information sufficient but still odokotela ngithi bebekhona ndithi like for instance the first one esiconsulte naye wasinikeza note because mina ngiyiphethe nkosi yami note inayo sexual assault yayiko bazothini because kalobe suppose babam approachile ndicinga njalo
Mzala ngicela ukubuza umntana mabamchecka first time ama doctor baye babhala ukuthi umntana bam assault i sexual assault.
mzala iphepha likhona mzala wami likhona mzala libhaliwe nje nkosi yami mina ngavele nje ndanalo iphepha likhona mzala futhi likhona nakwidocket original so iphepha likhona mzala leyo into ayindigunqisi mzala noba abantu bazothetha bathini and I've heard people besithi uyaxoka kumele aboshwe hey guys mna ukuba ngizobotshelwa inyani kulungile not ngowami umntwana hayi not emntaneni wami bazalwane never.
Dube kunezidezi bias sengqondweni yami mfethu yabona so
Abantu are still asking ukuthi i-test ntontontoni guys anifuna uxoka indaba ze-test ndikhunjuzwe umuntu phofu naye ebuza sesibuyile sibhedlela and we tried by all means as a family ukuthi at least kube khona eyenziwa i-test noba ke kuthathwa inwele nentoni kwathiwa nje i-maximum period 3 months and masibala thina sabe sikwinyanga ye5 for ezo test ke noba kwakuzothathwa inzipho noba intoni andiyazi but we're trying our level best ukuthi at least mayibe khona but ke zange siyazi nathi in time if we knew ngesahamba that route I called udokotela wena ke ingane esibhedlela wathi ke yena no uzange wadonsa amagazi for lokho because naye
Dube
Just okay, carry on.
no if you want to ask a question mbuze because the question ngiletha kuwe mina.
Okay, no, ungayibuza.
To just a normal kasi person, can you kindly please explain ukuthi kuze i case ifike ku NPA ifika makwenze njani?